Welcome you all to Science with Charmy the Teacher YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a grade 11 topic, that is the biological processes in human body. The chapter 6 of grade 11. In that lesson you have to learn about our excretory system. In the excretory system, the main part is our kidneys. We know inside the kidney, the main functional unit of the kidney is known as the nephron. So in here I have drawn a rough sketch of a nephron. Today we are going to discuss how the urine filtration is happening inside the nephron. The blood which are inside our body is converted to urea inside this nephron. This one is happening through three processes. The first one is the ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption, and secretion ultrafiltration. So we will discuss one by one. First we will go what is this ultrafiltration. In here you can see there is just like a sieve like round shaped one. This one we call as the Bowman's capsule. We label it as Bowman's capsule. Into the Bowman's capsule, the blood is taken from an artery which is known as afferent arteriole. And the blood which is coming to this Bowman's capsule is taken away out to the kidney by the efferent arteriole. There is a main difference between this afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole. In the afferent arteriole, its diameter, the diameter of this arteriole is larger than the diameter of the efferent arteriole. Because of that, high amount of blood is flowing to the Bowman's capsule, but with that speed, they can't move to the out as its diameter is low. So the blood get a huge time to wait in this Bowman's capsule. Then these afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole, they again divided into small capillaries and they form the glomerulus. So when the blood is remaining in this Bowman's capsule inside the glomerulus, they get filtered through the glomerulus and through the inner wall of the Bowman's capsule. So our blood is now filtered into this place. Into here now the blood is now filtering. That filtrate we called as the glomerular filtrate. That is the glomerular filtrate. So this is the first step of urine filtration, which is known as ultrafiltration. It happens at the Bowman's capsule of our nephron. Then what happens? This filtered glomerular filtrate goes through the arteriole or the small capillary tubes of the nephron, tubules of the nephron. Through the tubules of nephron, this glomerular filtrate is now flowing. When they are flowing towards this tubule, again the materials which are filtered from this place is absorbed again to the blood capillaries. But remember, in here through the glomerular blood, the blood cells and the plasma proteins can't get filtered. They are not filtered through this inner layer of the Bowman's capsule. But the other things inside our blood, that means glucose, water, vitamins, hormones, ions, medicine, those things, they get filtered to this glomerular filtrate. Then glomerular filtrate is now coming through these tubules, and when they are coming from these places, again some of the materials inside here are again reabsorbed to the capillaries near this nephron. We know that there are many capillaries near these nephrons. So they are again reabsorbed to the number of capillaries which are around this tubule. So that process, again absorption to the blood, that process we called as the selective reabsorption. So in selective reabsorption, 90% of water is again absorbed to the blood vessels. And 100% of glucose is also again absorbed to the blood capillaries. But if a patient is suffering from diabetics, the 100% of glucose is not filtered. That's why in their urine, there is some amount of glucose. Then a part of amino acids is again reabsorbed. Some of vitamins, medicines, iron, hormones, they are again reabsorbed to our blood vessels, and they are transported throughout our body again. Then this solution, now we first name this thing which is get filtered from here, the solution filtered from here as the glomerular filtrate. Now many of the nutrients inside that one is again reabsorbed to our body. So now we label this solution as urea. Now it is urea. Now urine, it is as the urine. So now urine is formed inside our body. Then once again the urine is coming through the tubules of these nephron. Some of the materials which are in the blood capillaries are again sent to this tubule. Some of the materials in the blood is again sent back to these tubules. So that process we call as the secretion ultrafiltration. In the secretion ultrafiltration, especially the H plus ions, potassium ions, ammonia ions, and creatinine, vitamin B, these are inside our blood vessels, but from the blood vessels they are again sent to our tubules of the nephron. And then this is the urine now. Now the urine has formed. Then this urine get collected to this collecting duct. Here's the collecting duct. Collecting duct is again collected to the pelvis. From the pelvis, the urine comes to the urinary bladder through the ureter. So this is the way how urine is formed inside our body. It happens mainly through three processes. They are the ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption, and secretion ultrafiltration. So this is the thing I want to just explain you. This is important for your GC O-level examination. So once again, we will meet up with another video. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.